Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Click like and write a comment if you would like to know more about my journey where I discovered the incredible and beautiful beaches of Costa Brava in Spain. As we journeyed through the endless shorelines and got to experience the vibrant crystal blue waters, salty air, and famous seafood, the overwhelming feeling of joy filled our hearts. Along our journey, we encountered medieval towns, coves, and hidden beaches with elevated cliffs and amazing views. We even got to explore the foothills of the Pyrenees Mountains. We found ourselves constantly in awe of the many secluded bays, clear waters, and rocky areas. Every step we took felt like a new adventure and new discoveries. It all started with a deep, meaningful decision to take a weekend off from the regular city life and escape to the crazy beauty of the Costa Brava coastline. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw the sight of miles of vegetation, the sea, and the rocky coasts. It was a different experience for me. I will never forget the beauty of this amazing place. I'd recommend it to anyone, couples, friends, and families alike. The place not only offered an unforgettable summer getaway, but also provided a chance to enjoy the presence of locals, culture, and rich historical background. If you love discovering serene location like me, I recommend Costa Brava. No words will ever do justice to the beauty of this extraordinary place. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't yet, as I'm going to be sharing more amazing videos about my travel experiences. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!